What's going on, everybody? Chris Phil here, AGD Glass and Tint Company. Saturday morning, beautiful morning out here. We have a school bus that came in. Wanted to kind of put this on to show you guys how it's done. I'm sure you see plenty of these driving around all the time. And either way, we just we're actually doing a windshield today on one. So I wanted to kind of turn around, show you guys what we're doing, what's the process, how it kind of how we can kind of walk you through why not to do it yourself, and to get us to actually come and assist you. So let me turn it around here, and we got Chris, the two Chris's actually on this school bus today, Chris Arteaga and Chris Morrison over there. And basically how it's running is it's a simple glue-in application. Well, I shouldn't say simple, but it's definitely a glue-in application which takes a polyurethane sealant, which we're seeing right here, that has been cut down to basically about 1/16 of an inch and getting ready for the new glue to lie down. And then, as well as you'll see, Chris, both of them had just put some primer right here, and that's to take care of any exposed metal that it might have been cut into after the urethane was trimmed. Now, if that wasn't taken care of, then you would have what they call a oxidization, where the glass could come loose because the urethane bead's not going to stick exactly to where the pinch weld had been primered. So very important. This windshield has to hold at least 300 psi, pounds per square inch, for anybody coming at that glass. Especially in a bus situation like this, you have obviously maybe 80 to 100 kids that could be coming at this windshield at any one time. So let me go inside here. Again, the crew, these guys are amazing. And let me kind of show you an inside view of how it's been taken care of. Again, if it was a gasket set, it's a different application to getting it installed. But we're getting ready to put this thing back in, and as we do, everything will kind of go back intact, and then he'll have to sit for a period of 4 to 8 hours in order to be driven back on the road. So again, we'll be back. I'm gonna log out for now, and we'll see you back in just a bit. Thank you.